Ang mensahe ng past person mo, Capricorn. Just being near you is intoxicating. I hide behind material things. The timing just wasn't right for us. We both know I am not the one for you. I wish I had treated you better. I regret lying to you. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. When I'm in a state of appreciation, I'm in vibrational alignment with my true love nature. Ang mensahe para sa'yo, kung ano yung mga bagay na ina-attract mo, yung nagiging masaya ka, kung ano yung desire ng puso mo, yun yung gawin mo, yun yung ibigay mo sa sarili mo, at pagsikapan